Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are trying to use PaySafeCard but do not want to provide a phone number, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you the exact workaround to get and use a PaySafeCard entirely phone-free. Here is how PaySafeCard operates right now. If you try to create a myPaysafe online account, the system will always ask for a phone number for SMS verification. There is no legitimate way to bypass that online registration prompt. However, you do not actually need an online account to use PaySafeCard. The simplest and most secure method is to use the direct voucher system. First, open your browser and go to the official PaySafeCard.com website. Next, look at the main menu and click on the Buy option. Then you will see a search bar asking for your address or postal code. Type in your local zip code or city. The website will immediately display a map of all the authorized retailers near you. These are usually local supermarkets, gas stations, or convenience stores. Go to one of these locations and ask the cashier for a PaySafeCard voucher in the amount you need. You can pay with cash or a standard debit card. The cashier will hand you a physical receipt containing a unique 16-digit PIN. Keep this safe. When you are ready to buy something online, simply select PaySafeCard at the checkout screen of that website. Instead of logging into an account, just enter your 16-digit PIN directly into the payment gateway. Your payment will process instantly, and you remain completely anonymous. You successfully made a purchase with 0 phone numbers, 0 accounts, and 0 personal data required. If this guide helped you out, drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. See you in the next video.